Hey guys! If you are passionate about technology, innovations and everything that involves the future, Tesla Bot Today is the perfect channel for you. We are striving to bring quality and up-to-date content about the world of robots and Tesla. Our goal is to reach 500 subscribers, and we need your help to get there. Sign up now and join our community. Don't miss our videos on the latest news, reviews and more. Click subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any content. Elon Musk claimed that he would develop the Tesla Optimus as a real-life C-3PO robot from Star Wars, capable of doing everything for humans and costing around $20,000, but something came along that made people think that the days of Optimus robots were numbered. That was the 3P. That all changed dramatically when a new rival, the Unitree G1, appeared for just $166,000, turning the market upside down and making people wonder if Tesla's Optimus could hold on to its throne. It wouldn't be wrong to say that humanoid robots are an attractive target for manufacturers. Every month, and even every day, we hear news of a new humanoid robot being developed by a new robotics company. This trend has really taken off. Just 2 years ago, only Boston Dynamics and Tesla were making new robots. Now, China is heavily invested in robots, and it seems like every company has its own. Of course, this isn't a bad thing. In fact, we like to see this trend. The Optimus and Unitree G1 are currently being talked about a lot. Let's talk about the looks and design first. Similar to the Optimus, Tesla has updated the Gen 1, which was released in March last year, to a more advanced version, the Gen 2, in late 2023. This update has made the Tesla bots look and design much more appealing, with a very high level of refinement. On the other hand, Unitree has developed a humanoid robot version of the H1 for the current G1. In fact, the design has taken a 360 degrees turn to make the Unitree humanoid robot look much less intimidating in the H1 generation. The entire body was covered in black, enough to make your kids scream if you brought one home. The design was also not impressive, even when it was dressed in a branded shirt. However, when the Unitree G1 was introduced, we felt a sense of novelty mixed with familiarity, as it looked like something Boston Dynamics had released in April this year. We're sorry to say this, but the Unitree G1 is 70% similar to the Atlas Gen 2 robot. Even the presentation video would make anyone mistake these two robots as being the same thing. In the meantime, you can review the way Tesla introduced its Optimus Gen 2, which isn't very complicated but still makes people remember the details. It seems clear, regardless of whether or not Unitree borrowed ideas from Boston Dynamics, that the G1 version is significantly smaller in size. Compared to the Unitree H1, the Unitree G1 is smaller and lighter. The Unitree H1 is the size of an average adult, standing at 180 centimeters tall, similar to the Optimus Gen 2. However, the Unitree G1 is the size of an 8-year-old child, standing at 127 centimeters tall. In terms of proportions, the Optimus better meets the standards of a good humanoid robot, as most humanoid robots are also around 173 centimeters or taller. This does not mean that the Optimus will be more effective than the Unitree G1, as each size has its advantages. For example, in industrial environments or places that require higher reach, where objects are out of reach for children and the elderly, the Optimus is more suitable. On the other hand, the Unitree G1 may perform better in narrow spaces or tasks that require greater flexibility. Tesla's Optimus is made primarily of lightweight metals such as aluminum, plastic, and carbon fiber, with a ratio of 40% metal to 60% impact-resistant and scratch-resistant coating. Optimus's current reported weight is 140 pounds, making it lighter than its initial 160 pounds. The Unitree G1, on the other hand, weighs just 75 pounds and is made of 90% metal, mostly aluminum, except for its head and feet, which appear to be plastic. Normally, a robot with a stable weight like Optimus would have an advantage in maintaining balance compared to a lighter robot, even if it does affect its movement speed. However, the Unitree G1 is able to maintain exceptional balance, as demonstrated in the introductory video, where it remains upright even when someone tries to push it, something Tesla has yet to test with its humanoid robot. The Unitree G1 is quite attractive, and we noticed that most current humanoid robots, such as Optimus, Unitree, and Boston Dynamics, are equipped with at least one strip of LED lights on their heads, which can indicate the robot's status, such as low battery, fully charged, or danger alert. Both the Unitree G1 and Optimus have these features. Speaking of the heads of the Optimus and Unitree G1, both Tesla and Chinese manufacturers may consider equipping their robots with a display screen on their faces, along with the sensors. While Tesla uses neural network-based sensors in its autonomous driving software, combined with multiple 2D cameras for wide-angle environmental observation, the Unitree G1 robot is equipped with 3D LiDAR and Intel RealSense D435 depth cameras. These sensors provide a robust hardware platform for powerful and sensitive perception, allowing the G1 to better understand its environment. Both Tesla's Optimus and Unitree G1 are well built in terms of design. Both offer different advantages, but we believe that in some ways Optimus' design is more aesthetically pleasing because it resembles the human form. Unitree also excels in minimalism, seeking to reduce costs without compromising design quality. However, what really matters is the tasks the robot can perform and its operational efficiency. The dexterity of humanoid robots' hands is always valued for the tasks assigned to them. Who will have the better hand? Elon Musk has said that the next generation of Optimus will have 22 degrees of freedom, allowing it to play the piano. Elon Musk has stated several times that Optimus will have 22 degrees of freedom in future versions, possibly in Generation 3 or 4. The term degrees of freedom describes the number of independent movements a robot can perform, especially in humanoid robots, referring to the ability of joints and body parts to move. The more degrees of freedom, the more the robot hand can do, up to 27 degrees of freedom, like a human hand. With this update, Tesla's robotic hand will become more advanced, with Elon talking about its ability to even thread a needle. Jim Fan, NVIDIA's senior research manager and leader of the Embedded AI Lab, commented that Optimus hands are among the best in the industry. While this update is not yet available, it will eventually arrive, and 11 degrees of freedom is already more than enough to diversify Tesla's tasks, whether in the factory or at home. In contrast to Optimus' 5-fingered hand, Unitree claims that the G1 humanoid robot can optionally be equipped with a 3-fingered hand, which can provide haptic feedback through hybrid force and position control. The Unitree G1 can simulate the precise operation of a human hand. The G1 robot can control a variety of objects with precision and stability, whether it's cracking nuts, carrying heavy objects, or picking up fragile items like eggs. In addition, the G1 can also perform delicate operations such as opening soda bottles and even welding. While the exact number of degrees of freedom in the G1's hands is not known, it is undeniably no less impressive than Optimus. The Unitree G1 has a large joint range, with 23 to 43 joints and a maximum torque of 121 Nm. The Tesla Optimus has 28 joints, 14 rotary actuators, and 14 linear actuators. While Tesla demonstrated movements such as jumping, yoga, and extremely flexible squats to show off the Optimus robot's flexibility, Unitree also didn't shy away from showing off the G1's dynamic movements, such as standing up, folding chairs, and swinging batons. Comparing the operations and number of tasks of the two humanoid robots, it's hard to decide which one is better, as they are both like two different movie genres, a romance film and an action film. Optimus performs operations more smoothly, highlighting dexterity, while the Unitree G1 is decisive and robust. The biggest drawback of Optimus that everyone knows about is its speed, which is always compared to that of a certain president, being only about 1.34 miles per hour. Tesla has set Optimus' target speed at 5 miles per hour until such robots are more commercially available. Meanwhile, Unitree set the world record for the fastest humanoid robot with the H1 robot at 3.3 meters per second or 7.4 miles per hour, although the G1 version is slightly slower, with a fast walking speed of 2 meters per second or 4.5 miles per hour. A humanoid robot's movement speed brings many benefits in emergency or dangerous situations, allowing it to react quickly to save lives or resolve situations quickly. In service applications, a fast robot can interact and serve customers more efficiently, improving the user experience. Finally, faster movement helps the robot save time when moving from one place to another, optimizing the workflow. The movement speed of Tesla's Optimus still lags considerably behind Unitree's robots, but that's not all. There are tasks where the robot simply needs to remain stationary to perform them, and in these cases, the upper body becomes more crucial, as it significantly impacts the robot's work efficiency. Despite its slower speed, Optimus outperforms Unitree in terms of operating time before needing to be recharged. With a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery that Tesla has announced, the robot can operate for more than 8 hours before needing to be recharged, and the charging time is 10 minutes at most. It doesn't take long to charge a small battery when Tesla already has giant batteries for its electric vehicles. The big advantage of electric car batteries carries over to Optimus, saving Tesla a lot of production steps. Optimus outperforms G1 in terms of operating time, as standard Chinese robots last about 5 hours, while Unitree G1 has an operating time of about 2 hours, requiring recharging several times a day if used intensively. As for the ability to perform tasks, both Optimus and Unitree robots still need more time to fully respond, as the AI in them is still in the early stages of development. Elon Musk has stated that Optimus will be able to do anything by watching a video, emphasizing its self-learning ability many times since its launch. Unitree G1, on the other hand, relies on simulation training and deep reinforcement learning, using the rapid development of AI to continuously update and develop itself. What really matters is the price. No one wants to call this a race, as both Optimus and G1 have prices that surprise the industry. Tesla's Optimus and Unitree's G1 are in a fierce price competition. The first factor to consider when buying a humanoid robot is its affordability, but if you look at some humanoid robots and their estimated prices, you would be surprised that the average price ranges from $70,000 to $300,000. Humanoid robots are expensive because they are not easy to build, and the utility they bring over a long period of use can be estimated at hundreds of thousands of dollars. Both Tesla and Unitree are defying this trend. Elon Musk has repeatedly promised to keep the price of Optimus around $20,000, while the Unitree G1 has a base price of $16,000, much cheaper than the H1 version, which costs $90,000. With this price, anyone can have both Optimus and G1 without worrying about whether these robots will be sold worldwide. Tesla can keep the price low because it manufactures the transmission, motor, and battery for its robots without the need for suppliers, saving a significant amount of money by transferring technologies from its electric vehicles to its humanoid robots, and has the potential for large-scale production with at least 5 gigafactories in operation. This is a huge advantage for Tesla compared to other manufacturers. Meanwhile, to achieve the projected price of $6,000, the smaller G1 design requires less material and can use smaller motors than the H1 version, but both units weigh approximately the same. With a smaller robot, one would expect a lower material cost. In terms of robot design and manufacturing, every detail is crucial to improving efficiency and reducing costs. Unitree stated that to significantly reduce the cost of the G1, they reduced the number of wires and cables, minimized the number of chips, reduced the number of screws, among other measures. While these adjustments may seem basic, they are essential and necessary. With the exception of the chips, almost all of the hardware components in Unitree's robots are designed in-house, resulting in better performance and lower costs. For example, both the motors and gearboxes are models designed by Unitree Robotics. The $16,000 price tag may be the cheapest on the market, which is exciting for many due to this impressive price point. While Unitree's H1 may have been inspired by Boston Dynamics Atlas, it was smart to price it so low. The new Atlas Gen 2 is expected to cost at least $200,000, considering that Spot, the dog robot, costs $74,000. However, these are just the expected prices for both robots. They could be more or less expensive than advertised. Optimus could cost less than $20,000, while the G1 could cost more than $16,000, and vice versa. Only time will tell. What are Tesla's goals with Optimus and Unitree's G1 for the mainstream market? Elon Musk has stated that the AI-powered Optimus robot will fundamentally transform civilization as we know it once the prototype is fully developed. Optimus is important precisely because it is not revolutionary. Instead, it is a natural evolution of how technology can solve business problems, such as addressing the global labor shortage and finding safer ways to perform repetitive or dangerous tasks for humans. For example, Amazon, the second largest private company in the US, is concerned about running out of workers to hire and is therefore rapidly developing automated solutions. Its latest solution is a robot that can pick up and store items much faster than human workers. More importantly, Elon has announced that the Optimus robot could turn Tesla into a $25 trillion company, more than half the value of the current S&P 500, highlighting Tesla's ambition with the Optimus robot as a strategic weapon to achieve this goal. With the G1 being so small, this design decision effectively eliminates the G1 as a realistic replacement for human labor, as it would not be able to perform the same scope of work as a worker. The question that remains is, what market is the G1 really designed for? With its affordable price, agile kinematic design, large operating range, and optional features, the G1 could be an excellent research platform for university labs. The G1 could provide a quick start for a lab that wants a platform to develop new embedded AI algorithms. Tasks that were previously considered difficult for machines are now easy under the deft control of the G1. In short, both the Optimus and the G1 bring their own design advantages and will continue to highlight the development of humanoid robots in the near future. Time will tell whether the Optimus or the G1 wins the race. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And with that said, we hope you felt relaxed after watching this video. If you enjoyed this, we humbly ask that you hit that like button and join the TeslaBot family by subscribing to our channel. That way, you'll never miss out on our amazing videos by hitting that bell icon. We really value your feedback and time. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you back soon. Until then, stay safe, have fun, take care, and God bless you. See you soon.